Hi, this is a short video on how to structure a presentation, and it's very much like any kind of story that you're telling. There's always going to be a beginning, a middle, and an end in the story. So you might think about this as in your presentation you have an introduction and then everything that you're going to tell them about, and then a conclusion. So if you think about this, the beginning often is the place where you create the context. Like, why are you giving this presentation at all anyway? Who are you? What are the needs of the audience? And you might already know all this, and it depending on how often you give a presentation to the same group, you might not need to do all the context, meaning like, why are you even giving a presentation? And then the middle is actually the issue that you're addressing. So what the thing that you're giving the presentation for, what is it? What is the problem? What is the reason you're doing? What's the data behind that? And then the ending, just like in a story, is a resolution or a solution. And so you might be saying, I have all this data and this is the main point. And that's what you would do in the ending. And in good storytelling, you often have what's called a hook at the beginning, like maybe a question or a data or a little story that says, why is this particular presentation important for you to pay attention to? And then at the end, you often have what's known as a call to action. Like, what do you want the audience to do now that you've gone through all of your presentation? So thinking about these sort of five concepts associated with a presentation will help you to format what you're going to be talking about. So the beginning, middle, and end. So why are you giving this presentation? What is the information? And then what's the solution? And then also including a hook at the beginning to get interest from the audience, and then a call for action at the end. So you actually ask the audience to take a step or consider something. I hope that helps you think about presentations.